How to delete virus on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device. Here, the virus may be hiding in the search history. You can click on the three dots at the top right, go to Delete Browsing Data, select More Options, then select All Time at the top and select Browsing History, Cookies, Inside Data, Cached Images and Files, and press on Delete Data at the bottom. Another what you can do is open File Manager, go to Storage, click on Android, select these files, and delete it. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to delete virus on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.